Okay, now that we have all the devices mounted, the next thing to do is to test that the alarm system is communicating properly with our central monitoring center. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to call our office at 1-800-654-7678. Please have all of your account information available, the property address, the name on the contract, and the associated code word. When you give them the code word, they will put the system on test, and we will not dispatch on any of the signals that you are about to send when you test the alarm system. Okay, so when you want to test the signals, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the panel.
Select arm system type.
You're going to hit the arm away mode to spare you from the 60 seconds of beeping. Let's just assume that we push the button. At that point, you're going to exit the house. It's extremely important that you exit the house in one of the predetermined entry-exit doors. What this is going to do is activate the motion detector. After 60 seconds, when you re-enter the house, you're going to go through and you're going to physically open all the doors and windows that you mounted one of these sensors on, and you're going to walk in front of the motion detector. All these signals are then sent to our central station where they're going to be verified from our operators. When you re-enter the house, the alarm system will be ringing, so keep that in mind, work through the ringing. On the actual panel, on the bottom right corner, you're going to have to send these signals, but should you ever need these, it's always available to you in the bottom right. It's a police, fire, and medical. While the alarm system is ringing, you're going to hold the police button for a couple of seconds. It's going to acknowledge that you pressed the police, and do the same for fire and medical. What this is going to do is send a signal, so should you ever need those, we are going to dispatch accordingly. So at this time, the alarm system is still ringing. To disarm the system, we have what's called a duress code. So when you go to disarm the system, the keypad is going to pop up, and the numbers that are right in the center are 2, 5, 8, and 0. That will silence the alarm panel, and what that does is that sends us a signal that there's some sort of home invasion or a forced entry. It's going to silence the panel locally, but it's going to send us a signal, and we're going to dispatch accordingly. If all of the sensors are tested clearly, the central station operators will tell you they received all the signals, and from the time you hang up the phone, your system will be live. We'd like to thank you for trusting Post Alarm with your security. If you have any tech support questions, please feel free to reach out Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 o'clock. Thank you.